Giving your dog medicine shouldn't have to feel like a battle. When our best friends need a pill or capsule, the stress of forcing it down can break your heart. Greenies Pill Pockets change everything. These clever, all-natural treats feature a built-in pouch that completely hides the taste and smell of medicine in a delicious chicken flavor your dog will crave. It turns a stressful moment into a rewarding treat, making sure they get the care they need with a happy, wagging tail.
When your dog is struggling with an upset stomach or constant itchy skin, you want nothing more than to bring them relief. Purina Pro Plan Sensitive Skin and Stomach is crafted with real salmon, making it incredibly gentle on delicate systems. By pairing easily digestible ingredients with live probiotics, it helps soothe their gut from the inside out, while natural omega-6 oils bring back that beautiful, healthy shine to their coat. It's the nourishing care your best friend needs to feel happy, vibrant, and completely comfortable again. We all love our dogs, but let's be honest, nobody loves cleanup duty. There is nothing worse than being stuck a mile from home on a walk, praying a flimsy bag doesn't tear. That's why Earth Rated is a total lifesaver. These bags are extra thick, extra long, and genuinely leak-proof, so you never have to worry about a mess. They tear cleanly, open easily, and the subtle lavender scent completely masks odors until you find a trash bin. It's just a simple, reliable way to keep your walks stress-free.
Potty training a new puppy is a lot of things, but easy isn't one of them. The absolute last thing you want to worry about is a puddle soaking through a cheap pad and ruining your clean floors. That's why these 5-layer training pads are such a relief. They're built with a quick-dry core that instantly turns liquid into gel, locking away moisture so little paws stay completely dry. Plus, they feature a built-in attractant that gently guides your pup to the right spot, making the whole learning process way faster. It's just an honest, reliable way to protect your home while your furry best friend learns the ropes.
Accidents happen, but the real nightmare is when that stubborn odor lingers, secretly inviting your pup back to the exact same spot. Normal cleaners just mask it, but this professional strength enzyme formula completely destroys the stain and odor at the root. It feeds on the organic matter until it's entirely gone from your carpets, rugs, or hardwood. It's tough on messes, but completely safe to use around your pets and children, containing no harsh chemicals. If you want your fresh, clean home back and total peace of mind, this is the ultimate lifesaver for any dog parent.
We've all been there. You smell a pet accident somewhere in the room, but you just can't find it. It's incredibly frustrating because if you can't see the spot, you can't clean it, and your dog's powerful nose will keep going back to it. That's where this UV blacklight flashlight saves the day. It reveals exactly what your eyes are missing, making hidden dried urine stains glow like a neon sign in the dark. Instead of guessing, you can target the exact spot with your cleaner and permanently eliminate the odor. It is a total game changer for keeping your home truly clean and fresh.
Cleaning up the yard is easily the worst part of being a dog parent, especially if you're constantly bending over or using flimsy plastic scoopers that snap after a month. That's why this heavy-duty metal scooper set is a complete game changer. Built with lightweight, rust-proof stainless steel, it features an extra long handle so you can clean up the entire yard without ever bending over or straining your back. The tray and spade system works beautifully on grass, gravel, or concrete, and it rinses clean in seconds with a hose. It makes a messy chore fast, painless, and completely hassle-free, so you can get back to playing with your pup.
We all love our dogs, but sometimes you just need 20 minutes of peace to take a call or cook dinner without your pup begging at your feet. Standard chew toys get ignored and messy peanut butter Kongs end up smeared all over your clean carpets. That's why the Pupsicle is an absolute lifesaver. You just pop in one of their pre-made all-natural treats, and it keeps your dog happily distracted and mentally stimulated for a solid chunk of time. It opens right up in the middle, making it incredibly easy to load, and it rinses clean in seconds without any sticky residue left behind. It's the ultimate mess-free way to give your best friend some delicious downtime.
We all want our dogs to live the longest, happiest lives possible, but it's hard to know if they're getting everything they need from food alone. You want to support their hips, joints, and immune systems before they start showing signs of slowing down. That's why these 8-in-1 multivitamin bites are a staple for so many dog parents. Packed with glucosamine, probiotics, and essential vitamins, they support everything from smooth digestion and healthy skin to strong joints and heart health. Best of all, they taste like a delicious premium treat, so your pup will actually beg for them. It's just a simple daily way to keep that tail wagging and protect your best friend's health for years to come.
Taking your dog on a road trip or a quick run to the park is always a blast, but the aftermath isn't. Nobody wants their backseat completely ruined by muddy paws, endless shedding hair, and sharp claws scratching up the leather. That's why this heavy-duty hammock seat cover is a total lifesaver. Made with 4 layers of completely waterproof fabric, it snaps securely into place to protect your entire backseat from mess. The clever hammock design doesn't just block dirt. It actually keeps your pups safe and secure, preventing them from slipping into the footwell during sudden stops. It installs in minutes and wipes clean easily, letting you focus on the adventure instead of worrying about your car.
We love bringing our dogs everywhere, but letting them roam free in the car is incredibly dangerous. A sudden slam on the brakes can send your pup flying forward, risking severe injury or worse, causing a major distraction while you're driving. That's why this heavy-duty pet seat belt is an absolute necessity. Crafted with ultra-durable nylon and a solid zinc alloy swivel snap, it clips directly into your car's seatbelt buckle and attaches safely to your dog's harness. It features an elastic bungee buffer that absorbs harsh shocks during quick stops, keeping them secure without restricting their comfort. It is a simple, heavy-duty lifesaver that ensures you and your furry best friend arrive at every destination safe and sound.
Caring for your dog's teeth is incredibly important, but trying to brush a restless pup's teeth with a toothbrush can feel like an absolute battle. If you skip it, bad breath is usually just the first sign of much deeper plaque and tartar issues down the road. That's why these natural dental treats are a total lifesaver. Their unique, chewy texture is specially designed to clean all the way down to the gum line, wiping away plaque and freshening that notorious dog breath while they chew. They're made with highly digestible vitamins and minerals-packed ingredients, and dogs absolutely love the taste. It's the easiest, most stress-free way to protect your best friend's oral health and keep those puppy kisses fresh.